Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2021 BOBCAT T66 rubber track skid steer loader. This unit is in very nice condition and it is original. Track frames are original, white paint's all original. Cab heat air, 2-speed, power bob attach, brand new 16-inch wide track C-lug pattern we just installed this week. Cab heat air, joystick control, does have the auto level feature, foot throttle, air ride suspension seat. It is a cloth seat in it, weight kits on it. This unit, again, is a 2021 with 697 hours on it, one owner machine, but this unit has something on it that other machines do not. It has full extended warranty on it that was purchased, I believe in August of this year, but it is good until 6/23 of 2026. I have validated that from BOBCAT. It is fully transferable, and I will pay the fee. It's $150 to transfer it to the new owner, but it has that warranty on it. It is not just an emissions warranty. It is a full warranty. So it does have that, and that is a big thing on this machine when you're comparing it to other used 2021 year model machines that have no warranty left. So, brand new tracks. We've just done a full service. It's 695 hours. We changed all the filters and oils, including hub oils, and we marked that. We're going to start you right back here in the rear engine compartment and take you completely around this machine. You will see the back door of this machine is nice. It's straight. It's clean. It's original. Does have the backup camera. This does have the LED light package on it. We're going to open this up. Again, at 695 hours, we've done a full service. MSC stands for Mark Supply Company. And when we service a machine, it is every single filter. So, we do fuel, engine oil, hydraulic. There is a cartridge filter up there for the charge fan filter, basically is what it is. Both inner and outer air filters, cabin filters. There is a hydraulic vent filter cap that we also purchased. Through BOBCAT, you are just right at all but $700 worth of filters. There's actually even a little cartridge, inline fuel filter there we've changed. Back here, you're going to have your AC condenser. Very clean. This is a 74 horsepower machine, so that's a D24 four-cylinder turbo diesel engine. That is the BOBCAT motor. I forgot to show you guys. Up top here, you're going to have your cooling package. This radiator will tilt up. H-link, everything there, very nice, clean. We've greased it. 2-speed, counterweight kit. Again, brand new tracks. It is the wide track on it. Balance of the undercarriage is going to be about 75 to 80% plus. Very, very nice. I did put with this a very good 74-inch track loader style bucket, which is a little higher bucket. Again, OEM BOBCAT. 7-pin attachment control device. You got your 2 couplers here for your standard 1/2-inch auxiliary hydraulics and your 3/8 K-strain. Again, original paint up front. Again, very nice straight machine. Cab is straight. Grab handles are straight. I do have pictures under the cab. Inside the cab, operator station is very nice. Heated cloth seat. Again, joystick control. This does have the deluxe dash in it. Now, I do like this dash. It is a touchscreen dash. Takes a minute to get used to this newer system on the R series, but I really like it. So you do have your camera. You do have your parable to your device. You got your AM, FM radio. Here's your service schedule. We went ahead and reset everything so that was done. We can go in here and go to records. Service done, service codes, no codes, attachments, you got your settings. There's a lot of good information in here. One other nice thing, if you're in here, say you're at your radio, you can hit your home button. It's going to take you back there. Over here you got your start, stop, park brake, push to operate button. You got your headlights. 1 click is front, 2 is rear. You got your auxiliary hydraulics here, standard flow machine. A ISO or H pattern, power bob attach wiper. Here's going to be your auto level feature. 1 click is auto level up, 2 clicks is auto level up and auto level down. You got your 2-speed function here, which we're going to hit the push to operate button and show you. You got that in and out. There's your rabbit. Just a nice loaded up machine. You got your cab, heat, air. Good. Shut this back on. Guys, it's a very nice machine. It is fully serviced and ready to go to work. You do have here from Bobcat these handles. Find them here. For your joysticks are fully adjustable forward and back. So, you know, I'm a little bigger guy these days. You can adjust these out to be a little more comfortable. This does have a decel pedal. You can go in and change it to decel on your foot throttle, or you can run it wide open. However you want to do it. So you dozer guys want to decel, you can actually program it to do that. I'm going to fire this thing up. We're going to run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. So, a lot of guys buy the T66. Back in the day, if you had a T590, you had the machine. When the 595s come out, you know, a lot of guys went to them because they were the smaller frame size machine, but with a 74 horsepower motor. It seems like when they went to the new R series, you bought a T66. They do make a T64, which replaced your 590, but the T66 is the machine that's the popular machine. So, I like this size machine. I like that motor. Got a lot of power for this size of machine. Man, you have a lot of nice features in this machine. They've come a long way. A lot of things, just like anything new, when something changes, you do. I mean, it's normal to resist it, but we've been doing a lot of these, and I've really come to like them. A lot of upgrades that needed to be done. But there's still a lot of cool things that Bobcat has. You got your snail mode. You got good visibility. You do have a nice backup camera. Bobcat still, in my opinion, has a very good control system. Very good feel to it. One thing, like I harp about this in a lot of our videos. I do put factory buckets on when I can. As long as I've got good buckets, I will put a good factory bucket on. We will put a good new CID Extreme bucket on, which we're a Northeast distributor for them. That's a big deal today when you're buying a machine. A lot of guys, they don't look at that. They look at, oh, look at the price of this machine. Well, when you're pricing out a machine, and you're up against a guy like me where I have brand new tracks, I have done a full, very expensive service on the machine. I have an OEM bucket on it with a like brand new cutting edge in it. We have this factor or extended warranty on it, 2-speed, until 6/23 of 2026, which is going to be transferable to the new owner. That's a big deal, and those are all things that when I'm buying a piece of equipment, I have to pay more money for because it makes the machine easier to sell, okay? So you got to really compare apples to apples. I'll turn the lights on. But we get a lot of guys today that don't compare apples to apples, and that's fine. Everybody does things different. Here, I look at that stuff and evaluate it on a per case basis with machines, where a lot of guys look at it, well, it's just this is what it's worth. Can't really do that in today's market. These things have a heater in them, it's unbelievable. Now, this has, again, it has on it, so here's auto level, okay? So it's auto leveling that bucket up, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and push that button again. Now I'm gonna take that bucket down, and it's gonna auto level it down, which is a really cool feature. You're auto leveling up and auto leveling down, which is very, very, very neat, okay? I guess I got ahead of myself there. Let's unhook that bucket. We're gonna show you about the power bob attach. Going ahead, we're unhooking. And we're going to hook for you here and show you everything works. Now, I want to show everybody about H pattern. So there's down, up, curl, uncurl. We're going to be reverse, forward, right, left. And we're going to go ahead and switch this now to H pattern. Pull my bar back down. We're going to release. I'm going to go ahead, curl, uncurl. Right track. I'm going to go ahead, left track, up, down. Okay? I'm going to recycle my bar. I'm going to head back to ISO. I'm going to go ahead and hit that again. There's everything on my right hand, and here's everything back on my left hand. There's a lot of sensitivity settings you can set in this for the work tools. As far as your loader, your bucket, always make sure your pins are engaged, by the way. Sensitivity on the joysticks as far as response on the level of response you want, which is nice. Again, the HVAC in these, very, very nice, roast you out. Cabs on these now are a pressurized sealed cab versus in your, clear back your G, your K, M series loaders. Basically, this is an all sealed one-piece unit, which is nice. Visibility is very nice. You can see well out of them. Does have the LED lights. All the windows, all the glass is intact and right. It's just a very nice, clean machine. And I like it because it's an original machine, okay? Auto idle will kick in here in a second. Guys, if you're looking for a nice machine, and it is loaded up, you got your deluxe dash, you've got your 2-speed cab heat air, power bob attach, auto level, joystick, snail mode, 7-pin attach. Again, the biggest thing on this loader compared to another machine out there in the marketplace is you've got full warranty from Bobcat on this loader, again, until 6/23 of 2026. That is a big deal. That is a big selling point in this machine. There is just over $2,700 of the tracks on that machine. And again, we did that full service, so we spent some money there. There again, I go through my stuff. We still have a lot of people that call us and like, hey, is that machine really the way you state it is? Listen, we go through, we do our research. It's just not, hey guys, got this truckload of skid loaders in from the auction. I don't do that crap. That's not my thing. I don't want to do that. I'm not going to do it. We buy a lot of private and or dealer trade stuff. I like that stuff. And we get through our stuff and put it through the shop so we know what we have. And that's the purpose of this video today. We take, Matt, on average, what, a 12 to 15-minute video. It shows you who we are. Take a minute, do a simple Google search of Mark Supply Company. You will find we keep good ratings. We're not somebody that the Better Business Bureau is chasing. There's a lot of those guys out there. It's just not our thing. So we're a small family-owned business. This is what we do. So if you have any questions on this 2021 Bobcat T66, please give us a call, 814-658-3066. Check us out on our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House Machinery Trader. If we can help you in any way, please give us a call, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.